Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. I'm Christian. Today we're going to speak about what's happening on the Bitcoin price, because right now we are standing in an emergency situation. Bitcoin is trying to break the $27,000 area, and if this orange box guy is going to break, then obviously we're gonna speak for a bigger dump on the Bitcoin price. So if you would like to know exactly where we're gonna get, if we're gonna break this orange box, this support line of $27,000, all you have to do is to remain until the end of the video. And before we continue, I would like to declare you that I'm not financial advisor. Whatever you're gonna see on this video is my own personal opinion, my personal approach. Always do your own research before any kind of financial investment or trading. And also I would like to show you my Patreon channel, where here you're gonna find my buy signals, especially low cap gems with massive potential to do from 100x up to 1000x. And obviously I have here mid caps and hype caps with great potential. Also you're gonna find sell signals, stake signals, access to my portfolio, access to my strategies. But the most important part is the Telegram VIP community, where multimillionaires included here. And also you're gonna find the help in whatever question you're gonna have. You can drop it on this group, and personally I'm gonna reply as fast as possible. But even if not me, the other members of the group will reply this question. And also live streams are coming for the Patreon members of this group. And without losing more time, let's get back to our analysis, because we have really interesting points to cover out for the Bitcoin price. As you can clearly see here, guys, we have a very significant support line, which is this orange box. Okay, this orange box is the area approximately of the $27,000, and if we're gonna close a daily candle under the $27,000, then obviously the situation is tending more to bearish. Okay, but we are still, as we know, in a neutral side, because we are under this $30,500 and over the $25,200. I told you that we are tending to more bearish side, because there is a big probability, even if we're gonna break the $26,600, which is the last support here, then obviously guys, we're gonna get straight to this $25,200 for an incredible retest. But here there is a big probability to see a big bounce. Okay, I know that here lots of guys gonna open massive long positions, and also this is very strong resistance in the previous months, which right now it could be a very strong support. So guys, be very careful on this current red line, because if we're gonna see the daily candle closing under $27,000, then we can see a massive dump to this $25,200, some consolidation here, and then an incredible pump to the upside. So all the bears gonna get wrecked here on this red line. Okay, be very careful on this red line. Also, if you're gonna see any kind of reversal to the upside and gonna get up to $28,000, obviously this is gonna be a reversal situation. Okay, you're gonna see a reversal and we're gonna close a daily candle over the blue line, over this blue line. It could still be possible. Okay, it could still be possible to remain on this orange box, and after a day or two to see a massive bounce to the upside. Okay, don't right now lots of people talking that Bitcoin will dump, Bitcoin will crash, and all these things. Guys, be very careful. All that matters right now is how we're gonna react on this red zone, because as I told you, massive probability for a bounce on this red zone. It's massive, the probability to bounce. Okay, and something that actually we need to see is the Dixie, because Dixie right now is pumping. As you can clearly see, if I disappear the mess, you can clearly see Dixie is pumping. That's why probably Bitcoin is dumping right now, because as we know, Dixie and Bitcoin always going, or not always, most of the time is going in the opposite direction. So probably this is why we saw some slight dump for the Bitcoin price. It's not something that I worry about. As I told you, I remain neutral in these areas. I'm waiting for confirmations, because if we're gonna break the $25,200, which is the bad scenario, okay, it's actually the catastrophic scenario, then obviously we're gonna get into very low numbers. We can potentially see at $20,000, $21,000, $22,000 Bitcoin again, which is gonna be very bad for the BTC price. And personally, I believe that we won't see something like that. I give more odds that we're gonna bounce from this red zone, or even we're gonna bounce from the area of let's get to this chart, from the area of this $27,000 to the upside. Okay, I don't believe that we can potentially see Bitcoin at $20,000. Again, I give very low probabilities. Not impossible, but low probabilities. Because you have to realize, guys, on these videos, we are not magicians. We cannot predict what's going to happen next. Otherwise, we could be billionaires by trading. It's not that way. We analyze, personally, as a Chris, I analyze the market according to what I see, and I cannot neglect that before a couple of weeks we saw this incredible rally, and this rally happened while the banks collapsed, and this is actually what I call adoption. We saw adoption here, guys. I was super bearish and I was expecting to get lower, especially when bank after bank were going into bankruptcy, because SP 500 was dropping, and until then Bitcoin was following the SP 500. Here we saw a decouple move, okay, for the Bitcoin price, and that was a historical speaking move. So that's why right now I'm neutral on these lines, and I'm waiting for confirmation for a break, either this massive yellow line or either this red zone, to see actually how we're gonna move next for the Bitcoin price. As we are on this area under the yellow line and over the red line, I remain neutral. So let's see what's about to happen. I will update you guys with a new update when we're gonna see the new move. So stay tuned, and do not forget to check my Patreon. I will see ya all in my next video. Until then, your boy Chris out. Bye.